All right, so Saturday morning fabrics. We did a little bit of a deep dive into the last 30 days on what patterns were the most purchased, and they're all knits. So we figured that we could do a little low price knit fabrics, and you could kind of use them as muslins, or if they turned out great, you could wear them. So we did that. These are all going to be $6.99 today and tomorrow, $6.99, which is kind of a giveaway price. But I love it, and they're good looking. And they're all two-way stretch. They're all cotton polys. They're all UV protected. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so this is a great, if the shirt doesn't turn out, you can wear it to garden, or you can wear it to ride your bike, or you can wear it to sleep in. You can do all of those things. But these are great fabrics at great prices, $6.99. All right, so the first one, you can see the turquoise, the white, the purple, the lavender, the green. Oh, the fun colors in that. This next one has a black background. It's kind of a novelty print. I think it's like the cities of New York. There's all kinds of signs and cities in there. Again, stretch in both directions. Lovely. This one is stars. So if you have something that you want to do in stars, this is the one to do it in. Isn't that great? The colors are, the background is black. The colors are orange, pink, kind of a turquoisey, white. Just fun colors. Great drape on these, you guys. Just really good drape. This one, again, you can see the purple, the black, the pink. I love that kind of squares. The squares habit, kind of. This one I could not find any purple. The rest have purple, but I couldn't find any purple. But I love this. The pinks, the greens, the oranges. So I just think a muslin out of this would be great. And then this last one, probably my favorite. I love this one. It's got the background is black again, the blues, the purples, the violets. Just pretty, just really pretty. Again, stretch in both directions. Great drape, great hand. It's a cotton poly. $6.99 today and tomorrow. So the goal, you know it. It's happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.